how to register an account on Shein. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually register your account on Shein. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Shein account, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then basically launch the Shein app on your phone. Once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to tap the me icon from the bottom right, and then you'll find a section where it says sign in or register, which is at the very top of the screen. So you basically just want to make sure to tap on the sign in or register button. Now if you already have an account, you can go to the sign in tab here, make sure to enter your mobile or email address and sign in, or if you want to register it, click the register button, enter the mobile or email address. But aside from that, you can also simply choose to create an account using a Facebook or your Google ID. So if I select my Google account over here, I will be able to successfully create an account using my Google account, or I can simply enter all those details manually. And that's it on how you can simply register an account on Shein. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.